you doing, guys? Bioinformatics guy here with another video of the series Python for Bioinformatics. In this video we are not going to be doing a lot of coding, but there is something else that I really want you to understand and to pay a lot of focus on while you are doing a project or you are just coding. It's very important thing. So first of all, I would like to show you our GitHub repository for this Python for Bioinformatics series. Here you can see that I have added some codes. There is a folder for each video basically, and it starts with the video number 6. You can see that now we are here at code organization video, which is the 14th video of this series. So I will keep on updating this repository as soon as I upload new videos. And now I want to show you what I have done different in this. So over here I have created this py for binf.py file, in which I have added all the functions that we have created so far. You can see that there are so many functions over there, and congratulations to you that you guys know all of the stuff right now, how all these functions work, and you can even write these functions on your own now. That's very great achievement. And apart from that, if you want to test it, what I have done over here is that you can simply import any function. Like I have imported this random code on function, and let's say that if I want to import random base, so I will write from py for binf import random base. Okay, and if I create a new code cell over here, I can call this function random base, and see random base is not defined. Oh, I will have to run this cell again so that this function is imported, and once I run this, then I can run this as well. You see, now this function is working really nicely. In the next upcoming videos, I will be putting this file again in the new folder, and all the new functions that we will create, after working on them, we will add them over here down below, so that we have a repository or sort of like a dictionary of our own functions which we can modify and use. So that's pretty much it for this video. And if you have any questions, comments or concerns about this video, you can always comment down below. If you want to join the Bioinformatics guys community, which is a Facebook group, you can join that as well. And you can also check the description of this video and some details on my website bioinformaticsguy.info. And apart from that, just like the video, and there is going to be a different video in next time. Keep an eye on that, and see you in the next video.